Belle here, and I decided to do something different with my hair. So I hope you guys like it. It's a really cool, literally cool as in like cool toned, sunsetty, rainbow pastel thingy. And I don't know how to explain it, but all I know is it's got lavender, yellow, mint, rose, and like teal. This is a really easy thing. It's very like not destructive for your hair because it's just conditioner and color if your hair's already pre-lightened like mine. So it's got all these different tones in it. It's pretty crazy, and I decided to film myself doing it for you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and let that play shortly. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to like the video, become a member of the Unicorn Fam, and get your sparkle on all day long with me, your friend Belle. And don't forget to hit the notification bell, otherwise you're never gonna know when I upload things, because it's pretty few and far between. But either way, let's just go ahead and get right into the video. Please enjoy. Let me know what you think. So the first thing I did was gather my supplies. You need at least 4 clips, possibly more, 1 brush per color, 1 bowl for each color, and obviously your colors. So these are the colors I used. You can pick them up at any Sally's Beauty Supply store, but I think some of them might be discontinued. Make sure your ear is clean, and continue. A big ass bottle of cheap conditioner, just needs to be white to lighten the colors. Any brand is fine. Do a little dance and get started. While I brush all my tangles out, I have to let you know you also need a brush and a rat tail comb and gloves to protect you from staining your manitas, and an old t-shirt and an old towel. Remove all tangles, and with the rat tail comb, section your hair down the middle. And I mean all the way down the back. This will be the first section. Stop to examine your fluffiness for a sec, and then realize this comb is nasty as f***. To section off the sides, comb your hair straight down, find the back of your ear, and use it as a guide to split the hair in half. That'll be your second section. Once you have a nice straight section, then clip it into place. If you don't get a straight line on your first try, just like this, comb that section back out, and then try again. There it is. And then just go on and straighten them out, clip them into place, just like this, and like this. Boom. And if you have any pieces sticking out that aren't supposed to be, then just put them back in where they're supposed to be. No big deal. Unless it's baby hairs. Like these. Don't worry about those. Now choose which side to start with. I like to start in the front right side because that's where my bangs are, and I want that part to die the longest, so comb it out. And get your glovies and just struggle putting them on for a second. Which just happens to be my favorite part. Once you've finally got your gloves on, you're done messing around, be sure to hit yourself really hard on your doorknob just to realize how tiny your bathroom is. Once again, say meh and keep moving forward. Deposit some of your color in each of the bowls, then add conditioner and stir until you reach your preferred color intensity. Repeat this step for each color that you're wanting to use in your hair. Start by applying the colors, taking small sections one at a time. Be sure to blend the colors together by rubbing the area where 2 colors meet. This will create a gradient effect. Make sure you're wiping off your hands between colors to keep them from mixing into each other. Do this every single time you dip into another color, otherwise your colors are going to start becoming muted and weird and oddly colored. I put in 3 different colors on each section. Purple at the very top, all the way through, blue in the middle, and then either pink or mint on the ends. Just as a side note, I did steal this technique from KbyEEEEE. He's literally my favorite hair YouTuber ever. And without his help, I wouldn't have had the balls to do this at all. So big shout out to KbyEEEEE. If you like this hair coloring video stuff, then you have to go check him out if you have not seen him yet. Like, right now. Like, what are you doing? Go. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention, make sure that you have a trusted friend check the back bits and make sure that you got everything as saturated and awesome as possible. Sergi is the one that helped me with this, so it's a big shout out to Serge for helping me out with all these things. And yes, thanks, babe. Anyway, so yeah, just go ahead and continue adding in the colors, alternating the colors, changing between all the things to your liking, however you feel. Be creative with it, do something fun, and eventually, once you're done, you just move on to the next step, which is playing the waiting game. And I'll be probably doing that pretty soon, so stay tuned. Alright, so now that you're done, go ahead and wipe off your gloves, take them off, and you can save them and reuse them later on when you want to do another application. Also try to save your colors in Ziploc bags. Don't be wasteful. Alright, so we just need to wait now. About 20 minutes, 25 minutes, something like this, and then we will be washing this out and we will see how it turns out. I am pretty excited about the color placement. It's gonna be pretty cool. And yeah, hi Benny. That's Benny. He's a succulent. And these are my fish. I don't know if you can see them, but they're in there. There's shade. There's powder. I don't know where the rest of them are, but we'll find out later. So yes, I will see you guys in a little bit, and I'm gonna wash this out. So yeah, 1 second. Okay, so here it is. Here is the finished product. This is pretty much exactly what I was going for. It goes from like a pretty nice lavender to a bluish. There's some yellows in there, and not a cute pinks, baby pinks, and very, very pastel. I am going to insert a photo of pretty much what the inspiration for this look was, so that you can really see what I was going for and why. Basically, it started with a sunset, and that's about it. I'll try to insert some other photos so that you can kind of see other lighting and how it affects it, because I don't know what it is. For some reason, every time I dye my hair with any product, it doesn't matter which product or whose product it is, it's always very different in different lights. It always changes. So I'll go ahead and link some stuff. But yeah, so yes, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for being here with me. If you decide to try to do this yourself, please send me a photo, because you know, you got my Instagram and all my things. Just, you know, send me stuff, let me see. I want to see how you guys do. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I need to say to you guys, but like pretty much really just thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it a lot, and I hope you're having a great day, and I love you guys so much, and I hope to see you on the next one. So I'll see you guys later. Okay, bye, and God bless you.